Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a very popular Indian dish from West Bengal which is called Prawn Malai Curry. And for this I'll be using tiger prawns which I have already deshelled and deveined. Deveining is basically a process by which we remove the intestine of the prawn. We'll also need some coconut milk, some yogurt, an onion which I am going to turn into paste, some ginger which I'll also turn into paste, and for the spices I'll need some cinnamon, some bay leaf, some dried red chilies, some green cardamom, some red chili powder, some garam masala, some turmeric, salt, sugar and some ghee, and also a little bit of oil. Now I have turned my onion and ginger into paste. Now it's time to marinate the prawns. For that I'll pour in some oil, a little salt and a little turmeric. And I'll mix it. And now I will keep it like this for 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes. Now it's time to fry the prawns. For that, I'll turn on the gas to a medium flame and place a non-stick pan over it and add a little bit of oil. Now the oil is hot enough. Now I'll add the prawns. Now the prawns are ready. I'll turn off the gas and transfer them back into the bowl. And I will use this remaining oil to make the gravy. For that, I'll take a saucepan and place it over medium heat. And pour in the oil. And wait for it to heat up. Now the oil is hot. I'll add some ghee to it. And then I'll add my spices. A bay leaf, 2 dried red chilies, 4 to 5 green cardamoms and some broken cinnamon sticks. And I'll temper the oil. And now I will add the onion paste. Now the idea is to brown the onion, so I will add a little bit of sugar. Now this will speed up the caramelization process. Now the onion has turned brown, it's time to add the spices. So firstly, I'll add some ginger paste, about a teaspoon, and then the dry spices. Some red chili powder, some garam masala, some turmeric, and a little bit of salt. Now as the onion paste goes dry, I'll add a little bit of yogurt. This will also provide a little bit of tanginess to the gravy. Now I will let it simmer for around 5 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes. I'll check on the gravy. Yes, it has cooked really well. Now it's time to add the coconut milk. Now this coconut milk will give it a really nice creamy and coconutty flavor. I will let the gravy come to a boil. Now it's been 5 minutes and the gravy is almost ready. Now it's time to add the prawns. I will let the prawns soak in the gravy for around 2 minutes before serving it. Now the dish is ready, so I will keep this aside and turn off the gas and keep it here. Now it is ready to plate.